In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up task dependencies in Smartsheet. This is a simple but very useful setup if you want your project timeline to update more accurately as tasks shift and change. Once dependencies are enabled, Smartsheet can help connect related tasks so your schedule becomes much easier to manage in both grid view and the Gantt chart. To begin, open your Smartsheet project sheet. You'll want to start in the sheet where you're already tracking your project tasks, dates, and progress. Before changing any settings, take a quick look at your columns and make sure your sheet includes both a start date column and an end date column. These are essential because Smartsheet uses them to calculate timing when dependencies are turned on. If those columns are already there, you're ready to continue. Next, open Project Settings. This is where Smartsheet controls the scheduling behavior of your sheet. Inside Project Settings, look for the option to enable dependencies and turn it on. This feature allows tasks to be linked together, so one task can affect another based on timing and sequence. It's a key step for building a more structured and realistic project schedule. After dependencies are enabled, confirm that the duration and predecessors columns are available in your sheet. In many cases, Smartsheet will make these available automatically once dependencies are turned on. The duration column shows how long a task is expected to take, and the predecessors column is what lets you define which task must come before another. These two columns are important because they work together to create the logic behind your timeline. Now you can start connecting tasks by adding predecessor row numbers. In the predecessors column, enter the row number of the task that should happen first. Then use that information to link related tasks throughout the sheet. This tells Smartsheet how tasks depend on one another, helping the schedule adjust in a more organized way. As you do this, make sure the relationships you create match the actual order of work in your project. Once that's done, save the sheet and check the Gantt chart timeline. This is the best place to visually confirm that your task connections are working properly. You should be able to see how tasks line up and follow one another over time. If something looks off, review your predecessor entries and dates. With dependencies set up correctly, your Smartsheet project becomes much easier to update, track, and manage.